Hey guys, it's Michelle Rose, real estate agent here, and today I wanted to do a little story. So, part of my job as an agent is to preview properties, figure out what's selling, what's not selling, what the trends are, what buyers like, don't like, just keep up with the market statistics. So, a couple of days ago, I went to go preview some properties, checked out this one open house, and usually, whenever I go into an open house, I introduce myself to the agent. I say, "Hey, my name is Michelle. I'm a real estate agent. Here is my business card." And I do that so they can know who's in attendance and who's the buyer and who's the agent that's checking out the home. So I did that when went into the home, did that with my introduction, and the person responded and said, "Oh, hey, I'm the owner." So I was a little confused because there was a brokerage sign, major brokerage sign that was outside the house representing the sale of the home. So I asked the owner, I said, "Well, are you a for sale by owner?" Because that's usually who represents themselves as at an open house, for sale by owners. So I asked the owner, I said, "Hey, are you a for sale by owner?" And the person said, "No, I'm not." So I said, "Well, where's the agent?" And the owner said, "Well, the agent couldn't make it today, and he will make it. He will be there tomorrow for the second open house." So I was all sorts of confused because any time a homeowner is hiring an agent to sell their home, it is our job to host the open house, not the owner. It's the real estate agent. Okay, you don't pay the real estate agent for you to host an open house. That's doesn't go that way. Okay, so just thought I would clarify that, because for us, when we host an open house, it's a way for us to be able to know who's interested in the home, how to be able to talk to them to see who's actually serious about buying your house, and also knowing who's coming in and out. So just thought I would share that, and hope that can clarify for anything, if anybody had any concerns about who to host, whether it be the owner or the agent. So hope this is helpful. See you guys in the next video.